we continue. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will help you resolve the problem of ad account disabled. We notice some unusual activity, so we have disabled your ad account. Verify your account to run ads again. And you may also see the message, just like what I'm showing here exactly. We disabled your account to protect your personal and financial info. To run ads again, you will need to fill out a form and request an account review. If you see any of these messages, what it simply means is that you are trying to add a new payment method. In fact, it's a payment related problem. So normally it happens when you're trying to add a new payment method, and Facebook is suspecting that you are not the one adding the new payment method, or maybe normally in most of the cases, it is that the one adding the account is actually maybe on a new device. It is logging on a new device or on a different location. So they are thinking is a hacker that is adding the payment method, a new what do you call it, a new payment method to your account. So what they want to do is that they want to prevent any suspicious or fraudulent transaction and protect your account. So they will ask you to fill a form and appeal for them to review the account and confirm you are the one. So this is exactly how to do it. So you log into your account and come to the ad manager, just like where I am. If you don't know how to go to the ad manager, you log into your Facebook. Then you go to your home, look at the left-hand corner, click on Ads Manager. It will bring you here. When it brings you here, you will see this message just like what I am seeing. Then you may also decide to, if you come to, if you look at, normally you see tools. When you click on the tools, you will see billing. When you click on the billing, it takes you to the billing, just like where I am now. And you will see this message saying that your account has been disabled for suspicious activity and all that. So you have to appeal. And so how do you do the appeal? You come back to the ad manager and then click on request a review. So when you click on request review, it will bring you here. And now, for your information, if your restriction is not this type of restriction, if you don't see that we disable your account to protect your personal and financial info, then it may not be a payment related restriction. In that case, it could be a violation of policy. So for a violation of policy, when you go to account quality, normally that one, you can resolve that one by going to account quality. I want to show you that one. So in case you have that problem, you have to go to account quality. If it is a policy violation, that one, when you come to account quality, you will see here, if your user account is restricted, you will see you are restricted from advertising. And when you click on it, for example, like this, when you click, you will see request review on the right, that you can request review. If you have that type of restriction, I've done a video specifically for that. You can check the link above, follow it to that video, and then you can do that kind of appeal. Now let's come back to where we were earlier. So if you have come to this disabled payments form, you have to select your ad account, then you write something. Then they will indicate that in order to expedite the review of your account, please upload a statement of the primary payment method on your advertising account. In order to verify the payment method, this statement should include the last 4 digits of the payment method, and if possible, any recent transaction or any recent charges from Facebook. So you have to request for a bank statement indicating some transactions on that that bank statement that has something to do with the debit card, maybe some subtractions from the bank statement that were done using those that debit card that is a primary debit card on your what do you call it, your advertising account. So when you come here, for example, I need to check which one is the primary payment method, then get the statement, a bank statement for that particular debit card. Then you come and then write. So they're asking you to describe what the problem is. So what you can do is, for example, let me just delete this one. I've already written something that I have to copy and come and paste it here. So what I wrote is that I was trying to add a new payment method to my other account, and unfortunately, I I was told account disabled. We noticed some suspicious activity or some unusual activity. So we've disabled your account. Verify your account to run ads again. I don't know why I'm experiencing this issue. When I tried adding other cards, I had the same issue. I am only trying to run ads for my business. I don't have any intention to violate Facebook policies or community guidelines. And I am extra sure I didn't violate any Facebook ads policies. Please help me to get my ad account reinstated. So you write all that. Then if you have the bank statement as a document attached, you can just attach it. Let me check and see if I can get a document. Yeah, so have a bank document here. Then, so if you are requesting for the bank statement, make sure that you are requesting for a statement for a particular for a period which covers the time you had the transaction with the Facebook. So make sure it covers. Then after that, you click on send. It's supposed to say sent. You will get a response from us within 1 to 2 business days. I'm just expecting that message, but it seems I'm not getting the feedback message that indicates it is sent. So let me check in the support inbox. If it was really sent, we will get a transaction and what do you call it? A confirmation message from Facebook. So let's check. I can only get message on 3rd July. Let me refresh it again. Okay, so that's the procedure you should follow to submit it. I don't know exactly what is happening, but I will have to cross-check and follow up, contact Facebook live chat support to find out what is really happening and then to see how best the issue can be resolved. Most of the time, I have resolved this kind of problem on several occasions. When you submit the ID, and when you submit the bank statement with the message, it will go and then you can check in the support inbox to see the progress of it. Normally, you get a message here that indicates that it has been received. As you can see, on 3rd July, there was a similar, on 3rd June rather, there was a similar problem. I followed up, they responded, and they were able to help it resolve. And I had that same problem again. So you have to follow up, check, make sure that they respond to you. And you have to check in support inbox. If you don't know how to go to the support inbox, you come here. Then when you go to your Facebook account, you click on the settings, the profile picture, then go to settings, you go to help and support, go to support inbox. When you click on the support inbox, it will bring you here. This is where you see an update and you can continue to respond. You can continue. As you can see here, thanks for contacting Meta. We noticed some unusual activity on your account and temporarily disabled your payment. After reviewing your account, I have reactivated your account and payments. So you should be able to run ads and make payments on Facebook from Meta again. You can review your current payment methods here. So the last one I did was reinstated. So this one, for example, I am yet to hear a response from them indicating it is resolved. If it is not resolved, I have to do further checks. So this is exactly what you need to do. If you follow this process, you will get your account reinstated. If you follow it and you still don't get your account reinstated, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us. You can also follow our website link to go on our website to check more of the services that we offer there. You can book for us online and we'll be able to help you get your advertising restrictions resolved. Thank you once again for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.